Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. What do you expect from the new OPPO Reno 11 series? Well, let's dive right into it. The OPPO Reno 11 series is all set to make a grand entry with the ColorOS 14 right from the get-go. Based on Android 14, the ColorOS 14 comes loaded with a myriad of customized features, taking the user experience to a whole new level. Here's something more exciting. OPPO has decided to up the ante by promising not one, not two, but 3 Android version updates and 4 rounds of security patches for the Reno 11 series. That's a step up from the Reno 10 series, which had 1 less year of updates. The Reno 11 series is not just about updates, it's about bringing a range of unique features to the table. From an aquamorphic design to a new Geo Green always-on display, the series is packed with innovations. The Reno 11 series promises to bring a new level of innovation and performance to the OPPO family. Get ready for the future. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the subscribe button for more. The highlight of the new Reno 11 series, the ColorOS 14. This new operating system is based on Android 14 and comes loaded with a plethora of custom features. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket, ready to simplify your digital life. Now, let's dive into the features of ColorOS 14. It introduces the aquamorphic design, which brings new sound effects, ringtones, color combinations, and user interface elements to your phone. It's all about creating an immersive and personalized user experience. The new Geo Green always-on display is another key feature, displaying a pedometer that counts your steps and the corresponding savings in your carbon footprint. It's like having your own environmental impact tracker. Another interesting feature is the Smart Touch, which allows you to crop and cut out a portion of an image and paste it elsewhere. The File Dock, on the other hand, is a convenient tool to store content instances and share them across apps. But what about updates? Well, OPPO has promised 3 years of operating system updates and 4 years of security patches for the Reno 11 series. This is an upgrade from the Reno 10 series, which only had 2 years of platform updates and 3 years of security patches. So, with the Reno 11 series, you can expect up to Android 17 update. It's an investment in your digital future, ensuring your device stays up to date and secure for years to come. Let's delve into the features of ColorOS 14 and what it brings to the Reno 11 series. The ColorOS 14 sports an aquamorphic design, a unique aesthetic that blends sound effects, color combinations, and user interface elements to create a seamless and immersive user experience. One standout feature is the Geo Green always-on display, which includes a pedometer that counts your steps and estimates the carbon footprint you're saving by walking. Then there's Smart Touch, a clever tool that allows you to crop and paste portions of an image, giving you a new way to interact with your photos. Another exciting addition is File Dock, a tool that stores content instances, making it easier to share content across apps. And let's not forget Picture Keeper, the improved permission manager for images and videos, which ensures your media is always secure and accessible. On the hardware front, the Reno 11 Pro and Reno 11 pack quite a punch. The Reno 11 Pro features a natural aesthetic design, a sharp 32-megapixel selfie portrait camera, super-fast 80W Super VOOC charging, and the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8200 SoC. As for the Reno 11, it's rumored to come with the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, an impressive 67W Super VOOC support. With so many exciting features and updates, the OPPO Reno 11 series is set to redefine smartphone experience. Stay tuned for the launch on January 12th.